Go. We need to hold 7.
I got him.
All right, next shot.
Wait.
There's no more guys, Adam.
What happened?
He lit up this kid. He shot this kid. This kid was like flinching all over. Oh, I feel bad.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, I feel bad. He got lit up. Holy shit. Guys, we got 7. Let's just hold it down.
That was interesting.
I see him. Hey, Dad.
I don't see anyone right now. We're getting.
I see him behind the
I was trying to look through the fan
I
hole.
see him. You look, ready? He's right there.
Yeah, the barrel.
He's right behind that. Yeah, that. He's right behind him.
We don't have an angle on him.
Right there.
Oh, I see him. Left side. Same spot, left side though. You know where that one guy we were just shooting at?
Yeah.
Left side of that top crate, right there.
He's coming up.
Yeah, they're coming in.
He's coming in.
Yeah.
Josh, watch!
Hey, no, I'm coming in. I'm coming over.
Josh, watch down that hallway.
Here, guys.
Are they in?
You're good.
Shit.
Are they coming in?
We're red.
Watch your left.
What's going on?
Did they grenade down there?
Yo, guys, watch it there, right there. Hey, buddy, right there. Watch out.
Guys, I get out of here. See him?
Oh shit, dude, they're right here, Adam. They're right at the net. You see?
Shit, yeah.
Where?
They're right at the net. Anyone got a thunder bee?
Yeah, who's got a thunder bee? Guys, I get out of here.
You have a thunder bee?
All right, 3 months.
Shit.
Dude, watch out.
Out of here.
About to get lit up.
Where's the fire coming from? All those people behind the net?
Yeah.
These guys are right there.
Guys, there's guys stacking up behind this net.
What is right there?
Right there.
Wait, how can they stack up? How can they stack up behind the net?
They're behind the net. They're about...
Oh, Jesus. Zip.
Do you see them behind that net?
You calling stuff out? Is that ricochet?
I think so. Where'd you get hit from?
Right there.
They're right there.
I don't know.
No, they can't go behind that.
God, get a grenade over there.
They can. That's their spawn.
You can't shoot out of the spawn.
He's mech, everyone. He's mech. Hey.
Fuck.
Medic.
Yo, medic right here.
Right there. You see him, Adam. Hey! Medic!
God, come on.
Medic.
Shit, hold on. Cover.
They're at these crates right here. Right that. See that one? Right there.
Yeah, they're still right there behind the net. That is just a terrifying sound.
He needs a medic.
True.
Hey, we need a DMR over here. What?
They want a DMR.
I'm sorry, I'm kind of busy over here.
Guys, we got enough fire heat. You are firing so high.
I know, my hot up
Well, let's go hit. You hear that?
is. Yeah.
Let's go hit him off my buffer.
Where's Crap?
You guys give me cover. Thunder be over there.
Alright. You can't do that.
Adam, you see that guy? We gotta get him.
Predator everywhere.
I can't see because of my
Hey, buddy, watch left.
Medic! He needs a medic.
Drag him over here.
Watch out, they're looking down that hallway from the woods.
Oh shit.
Somebody watch that hallway real quick.
They can't shoot.
First, if you crawl, they can't hit you.
Watch out, man, watch out the window.
Yeah, I can drag them over if you want.
These kids are right over there.
You can't do that. Oh, I'm not
Yeah, they're rushing, they're rushing!
Well,
They're
don't,
rushing!
don't fall back. Let's go.
Where are they?
Anybody medic?
Yeah, they're rushing all the way down the road, coming in.
Medic!
Watch there. Somebody get out and watch right there.
I got him.
No, there. Cover me.
Yeah, Pakora! Get back here. Yeah!
Pakora!
Thank you.
Guys, I'm coming over there.
Yeah, who's next? Dude, I shot all of you. What the hell?
Alright, I'm coming over with you guys.
Go out and cover that door.
What?
Go out and cover there. I got this hallway. You're good.
Yeah, coming in?
They might be. Oh shit. Someone, we need some.
Watch out.
We need someone with a thunder beam.
I'm hit. I might need to go back. I can't fucking see this shit right now. You good? Yeah, who's hitting? Fucking nonstop.
Got him.
What, the guy on the net?
Got one of them.
Hey, can someone revive me? He's on the outside of the inside of the guard.
He's hit, guys. He's hit.
Where are they coming from? Y'all shouldn't really be in the same.
This blackjack?
No.
What's the box? The box?
Where?
The box right here.
Pop them out.
Whoever was in that room, move back there. We're clear now. Oh shit, are they rushing?
Oh my god.
Got one.
Yo, man, we need guys in that room. There's nobody in there. Let's go. All right, we held up the attack on that side.
Hey, Mr.
Oh, there's a guy right near.
Everything else in medicine? Yeah. Dude, watch out.
I think he's transitioning. You see that guy in that box?
Get the box. Yeah. And one guy's a medic.
Is that an 18?
Block 18.
I think I got him that time. Did you see that?
No, maybe. The Glock will make you suck your cup.
Go, guys. Watch one.
You're not lazy, watch one! You're just kicked out. They just bombed coming up. What happened? They caught a bomb and we were just destroying them and trying. So they caught a bomb, so we're not allowed back
We
in.
kind of are like spawning them right now, but
Yeah. Well, that's some high quality bull crap. In the box! The box!
Oh my god, sorry.
that was Ricochet.
Plastic! Oh,
That was Ricochet.
That
You're
was
good.
my ricochet.
I think Phoenix has the problem.
That is the weirdest sounding gun.
Watch out. Watch the window, Mike. One shot. Oh, there.
I think that guy's still in that box.
Somebody throw a grenade over there?
We don't. No one's got a grenade right now.
I got it.
We can't use dummies.
I got a thunder.
Watch out. Watch out.
You got thunder beam?
Where is he at?
I don't know.
Dude, I need thunder beams. I could have this whole thing loaded up with them just across.
Dude, they're actually pretty big.
Are you hit?
No, I'm not hit. I'm just.
Medic!
They're
Medic!
coming up. I can't
Thunder
stop enough.
He calls for the thunder we got.
Medic! Right here!
You using thunder beam?
Yeah, I got thunder.
All right, man. Oh, right in this box. You see? Right here. Right here.
I can't get through that window.
Throw it over it. Underhand it.
Watch one, buddy.
You see him.
Yeah, I see him.
Yo, we need fire on this box. Yo, I need help on this box. Let's go. I need help on this box. There's still more. He's not the only one. Look, see?
That's a medic. Get out.
Watch out!
Where are they coming from now? That's them.
Got it.
Now.
He's hit.
Yeah, we need it! Yes, we need medic!
They've got medics.
We're still in that box.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hit.
Who's hit?
Need a medic. Nice job, man.
Nico, give me your hand.
I'm out of ammo. Cover me. I'm out of ammo. Cover. Guys, I need someone up here. Let's go.
Medic is full of answers. Thank you.
Here's half a clip.
I'm gonna go off that.
We still got him.
Hit!
Oh, cover.
Just keep taking it.
I know, right?
Go learn that.
Got him, I got him. They still got more guys. Yo, they got a medic in there. He's hit.
Ah! Hit! Ow! Chill! Ow! Dude!
Where?
What the fuck?
Cover.
Jesus, I got lit.
Alright, I got you covered from the side, baby.
Right here, right in the window.
Yeah, Billy, just like that.
Right in the open spot.
Yeah. What the hell?
What do you do for cover, Cora?
Are they still in there?
No, don't go.
Do this, like,
Okay, you see him.
probably it.
I ain't going out there anymore. I heard the shit.
I'm looking for this fish already. I'm getting tired of seeing these. I don't have the range. It's hot. I can't hit it.
Why?
Roll back to 8. Go back to 8.
Fuck, dude, we had that so nice. Damn it. We had 7 locked down. What's up? What are you doing? No. We're defending. Josh! What do you need? Why are we going to the valley? Dude, we got the trailers locked down.
I know, I was trying to clear them out.
Huh?
Keep them into their spawn. Clear them out to the
Why
back.
is 7 gonna play,
You
man?
wanna go? I'm gonna frag it. This guy.
Dude, why is 7 gonna
No.
play?
Because we were like holding him back too much. You gotta give him a chance. 7 got bombed.
Yeah.
What's going on?
7 got bombed because we were holding it down too good.
You're doing a great job, guys. It'll be a little easier on them. You're killing them too bad.
I was holding the line back there because we got separated. No, Don, let's go with the charge over here.
Yo, he's medicing that guy. Watch out. Right corner. Guys, just hold the trailers. Don't push up any far.
What's our deal with the keys? Who's winning?
We do. Look at this. They're not even in the trailers.
So we're totally raping.
Yeah, we have all of them, I think. Huh? Oh, watch out! Rush!
Open fire! Trailer 1! Hostile!
They're in 1!
In trailer 1! Repeat! In trailer 1! Trailer 1 isn't in play!
They just got in.
Yellows right behind trailer 1. We got him in trailer 1 as far as I saw. Shit.
Guys, they're in
I don't
1.
think that's legal. Someone said that was out of play. Well, let's go rush and teach them a bang.
They haven't flipped the key yet. It doesn't matter.
Anybody get a move? I do.
No, you don't need to do that. Guys, I think we got them all. We're fine. Guy over 1!
I thought 1 was out of play. Hey!
Guys, they're in one. They flipped it.
Take trailer 1. Come on. I got a nade. Let's breach. Huh? All right. Hey, Mr. Trout, you want to get us some cover fire?
There's no point, Frank.
Why? All right.
We have all the other ones right now.
Push them back, man.
Where you going?
We gotta take back trailer 1.
All right, you
Get up to the get up to the barrels or something, and then suppress them, and we'll get a nade in.
Hey, Paul, you go first. You let it roll.
Tell me when you're going.
No thunder beams in the trailer. Remember. He knows not to throw it in. Hey guys, give me cover fire.
Ooh, I got him. There's no point in going for one. We have all the other ones.
I want to make this a sweep. Everything. We have 5. We could launch a counterattack from there.
He's hit.
He's hit. I see.
There's another guy over there.
All right, we're attempting to breach. Oh, we friendly's in 1. We're breaching 1. Let's go. Let's go.
Friendly's in 1.
You don't need to, Frank. They got it. Just hold your position, man. We got this.
We got a firefight in there. If the guys in the windows are distracted, we could frag them and save them.
I don't think anyone's in one.
Yes,
anymore.
there is.
Yeah, our team just went in one on the right.
Are they in a firefight?
Why is it starting to shoot the window?
Team. Is there hostiles in trailer 1 still? Yep. Is there still hostiles in 1?
Second window, see him, Bill?
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Let's get a frag in there.
No, it's, you can't. Frank, he would get lit up.
Medic! Medic!
See the window I'm shooting at?
Medic! Shooting at the key window.
Yeah, that's the one.
I want to frag him.
Guys, key window.
Like right in that corner.
Retake 1!
Frank, we're not in the position to breach one. By the time we run back, we're going to get lit up from the Badlands area. Hit! Medic!
What's the status with trailer 1?
Medic!
Flip the key! Flip the key! Hostiles pushing! Watch it!
You got any medics? Alright, thanks, man. Watch one, dude. They're all over one.
Is that a hostile in 1? They're pushing towards the bottom part of the field! That's fine. How much time we got left? When did we get that?
Not that long ago, actually.
So pretty.
I might get like an ACOG type for it.
You totally should.
Yo, guys, fucking fire on one. Let's go.
Hit! Hit! Medic! 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 Whoa, copper gunner. Medic! 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 Need a medic! 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 Need a medic over here!
You're good.
You got him.
Medic!
Medic! Medic!
Oh, my God.
There's a medic right there. Medic!
Frank. Oh, guys, they're pushing!
Hurry, fuck up, hurry. Hurry! Game over!